Hey, good afternoon. This is video number 2. I'm exhausted. I get to pick up my daughter and granddaughter in about 2 hours. Anyway, we get to a certain age, we have to start thinking ahead to if something happens. So when I built this back porch, I did it so that I would only have to step one step down and straight across to the laundry room. But I left this open deliberately for a ramp. Now, this ramp can be a little slick. So what I'm going to do is, next week, I'm getting some of the grating from Lowe's, $15.98. I know everything sounds like $15.98. I'm putting it down on this so even if it gets wet, it won't be slick. I'll be able to walk up and down. Is this an ADA acceptable ramp? Not sure. 6 degrees is your maximum. This is probably a little more. If something happens and I have to expand it, all I have to do is change this piece of plywood. Anyway, until tomorrow, I will catch you on the flip side.